Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save files to Google Drive. So in here, I've already opened my browser. Since I've already synced my Google account with the Google Chrome, so I can easily open the Google Drive by clicking on this Google Apps. Then tap on the Drive icon in here, or you can also just type in drive.google.com and open your drive in here. And after that, if you want to save your files from your computer, let's say into the Google Drive, you can just click on the new button in here, then choose file upload. Now you can just select the file that you want to save into the Google Drive. For example, in here, I'm going to add this images right here, and also this video, also this Excel file. Okay, after you select the files, you can just click on open, and you can see it will start uploading the files. You can just wait until all of this are done. Okay, so after it's completely uploaded, you can just close this, and you can find the file that you've uploaded before will be on your Google Drive. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.